What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make your computer speak what you type. You can call your computer immediately by writing what you write in your computer. That means it is called as a text-to-speech software. Anyone can develop this software who has no idea about programming languages. You can use just Visual Script to develop this software in your desktop or laptop. If you want to make Windows greet you with a custom voice message at a startup, then comment me in the comment box. So in my next video I will upload it. So don't waste your time and let's get started. So first open a Notepad on your desktop or laptop. Either press the keys on your keyboard Windows plus R and search Notepad and press enter. Close the tab. You can see the Notepad. Close the tab or click onto the start button and type Notepad and press enter. So you can see the Notepad in my desktop. So here I just type dim message, comma, speak. So remember there is some space between the comma and speak. Press enter. Message. Always remember the first letter of the message is capital because I declare the variable message. The same message type here. Okay. Is equal to input box open brackets double inverted comma enter text comma double inverted comma again speak and press enter. So you can adjust the text anything whatever you want to type instead of enter text. Third line set speak is equal to create object open brackets double inverted comma sapi dot spvoice sapi.spvoice. So here is a question, what is sapi.spvoice? Okay, so sapi.spvoice is the voice inside Microsoft that is already recorded. The spvoice object brings the text-to-speech engine capabilities to application using SAPI. That means S stands for speech API automation, and spvoice object usually referred to simply as a voice is created with a default property setting so that it is ready to speak immediately. Speak space message. Okay, so first we can understand the code, then go to the next step. Message and speak both are defined as a variable. Message is equal to input box enter text speak. In the input here there will be a dialog box named speak and it will show a message on our screen. Here set speak is equal to create object sapi.spvoice sapi.spvoice. We have a set the speak variable that when you type the speak your voice will execute as an object, and then speak message they will read you and tell you nothing. Now the next step is save the file with VBS extension. So click onto the file and select save as. Click onto the desktop. I just saved this file on my desktop named text to speech with a VBS extension. Remember .vbs. Always remember save this file with the .vbs extension. Now your file is saved. So close the tab. Now check how it works. So just double click onto the software. You can see the dialog box. Now type any text, whatever you want. So I will type hello. This video is created by Jainam Sutaria and OK.
Hello. This video is created by Jainam Sutaria.
Okay. Please watch my video till the end. Like and share with your friends. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Okay.
Please watch my video till the end. Like and share it with your friends. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.
Yeah, it works. Thank you.